so today, well, not today because I already recorded a video, but now I'm just gonna add another video, prior to that video because I said I was gonna do it. So I'm seasoning. I had cut up some chicken and cleaned it in a video that I went live on. I only got like 3 videos on my page, but you'll see it. The chicken video where I'm cutting chicken, cleaning it. Yeah. So that chicken is cut and cleaned and ready to be seasoned. Woo! Okay, so I'm gonna season my chicken today with garlic Parmesan pack that I got from Walmart. Everybody go to place when you need a little bit of something to, for the something. Alright, so the directions say you will need 2 pounds of chicken wing pieces, 1 ounce pack of great value garlic Parmesan seasoning mix. And I have that. You see my wings, I got my chicken pack, my seasoning pack. Okay, say to preheat my oven. I'm not going to preheat my oven until I'm ready to cook because I'm going to let these sit in the refrigerator for about 20 to 30 minutes just to get that extra flavor. Okay, say preheat oven 425 degrees Fahrenheit. Place wings in a large reclosable plastic bag. I'm not doing that either because I don't have any more gallon bags to put my chicken in. I have a bowl, So, put my chicken up in there, swish it around, and cover that junk. Put it up in the refrigerator. Alright, okay. Sprinkle seasoning mix over wings. Seal bag and shake to coat evenly. Shake to coat evenly. Arrange wings in single layer on foil lined 5 by 10 by 1 inch baking pan. Sprayed with no stick cooking spray. I don't have any of that. So you just have to make it do what it do. And then discard your bag so nobody gets salmonella using that gallon bag again for the, lettuce or whatever you put in the bag. Bake uncovered. So it can get that dry roast instead of that moist roast from a bake. So, yeah. My laptop about to die, but I got 10 minutes. See, it threw me off. Okay, bake uncovered 30 minutes or until cooked thoroughly. Internal temperature of 165. Everybody should know that 165 is what your chicken should be cooked to, or everyone will get salmonella at that party. Serve wings with blue cheese or ranch dressing and celery sticks if desired. Okay, I have ranch dressing, so we're gonna be eating some of that. I'm gonna make some broccoli with some rice. I'm not eating the rice because I'm doing keto. As I said before, doing keto. So this seasoning pack is only 3 grams of carbohydrates. So I'm really not going to get any carbs from this because 3 grams per pack. So I'm putting it all over the chicken and I'm only going to be eating probably like 4 or 5 pieces. So yeah, give me a second. I need to get my charger. Hey, my bad. My daughter like, I'm hungry. So I had to give her something to eat. Something to snack on. And I had to get my charger and my wine because what is cooking without wine? I had this at my last apartment. Life needs more wine and less whining. My motto. Because that's the truth. True. Just like Titty Boy said. True. Okay. You don't know how weird this feels. I feel like I'm talking to myself. I'm looking at myself, so I feel like I'm talking to myself. Oh, I need to add some ice to my wine because it's warm. And it's bad enough it's already dry. Like, come on now. I'm about to drink warm, dry wine. Okay, so let's get it started. I'm also going to be adding some pepper and garlic powder and a little bit of Old Bay to my chicken, okay? Because I'm from Maryland and we put this shit on everything. Hey, we put this shit on everything. Hey. Say, I'm stupid. I'm a clown. I really am a clown over y'all. So, you guys going to have to bear with me. Or that deuces say. One thing that I don't have is paper towel. Like, oh my goodness. And I need some paper towel to dry off these wings. You know what? You guys got paper towel? Use the paper towel. Use the paper towel. I don't know what accent that was, but use the paper towel to dry some of your wings. You know? Just dry them. They don't have to be so dry. Okay. Taking my wings. You know what? Let me fix y'all because this ain't right. This ain't right. I'm doing this for y'all and y'all can't even see what I'm doing, you know? Y'all not here to see me. Shoot, I don't even look good today. Alright, so wings into the bowl. Okay, put my wings up on there. Okay, I'm gonna use some of my seasons first before I just got this. Walmart, anything that say great value that I use is from Walmart. I don't care what nobody say about Walmart, about anything that's, you know, cheaper than whatever. I mean, some stuff don't taste the same, but the stuff I buy tastes the same, and I make sure that because my taste buds is real funny. Nah, and these garlic powders is 98 cents, and I run through garlic powder. I run through garlic powder. Like, I bought 2 of these just because they don't be there every time I go. Everybody be buying these things out. So, I didn't even measure that. But who measures garlic powder? Like, come on now. But whatever. Going for YouTube. So, I'm going to say that's about like a tablespoon right there. So, I'm going to need another tablespoon. You know? It's like, I'm going to probably use half a tablespoon. Okay, so I'm gonna probably use like a teaspoon of salt because hotty child, I need a little bit of flavor, you know. And you know, a teaspoon of salt. I'm gonna use a teaspoon of pepper too, because I put pepper on like every sandwich I eat. I don't care what it is. Teaspoon of pepper. And then I'm from Maryland. I'm about to just eyeball this. I'm gonna say this probably like a tablespoon and a half. Probably not even that. So I'm gonna mix that up first with my hands. Yes, hunty, with my hands. Oh snap, you know what I forgot? A little bit of olive oil. Sorry y'all, I forgot the olive oil. I normally put this on before I put my seasonings on, you know. See, my hand is filthy, but I'm going to use my left hand. Hopefully I don't pour too much. Okay, that's probably like a teaspoon of oil. And you really don't need that much. I'm not going to use that much. Because I don't want this to be too wet. I want it to be dry. I want my wings to come out a little dry, like they're roasted or something. Because I've made jerk wings before, roasted. They were so good. Spicy, but hey, you know what you about to get when you cooking jerk wings. So don't even say yeah, they spicy, duh, they spicy, you know. Okay. She wants some more candy. She thinks she about to eat candy all night. No. Not up in her. Okay, so yeah, I'm about to put the seasoning pack in, y'all. Okay. I hope that's, I don't have to, be like, no incorporated, blah, blah, blah. Okay, I'm gonna smoke. Okay. Okay, y'all, so I smelled it because I smell everything. It smelled like garlic and Parmesan. That's it. Like my go-to wings, like if I go to like America's Best Wings or Buffalo Wild Wings or a Natives or just anywhere, would be something that's like sweet and spicy at the same time. Or my go-to is lemon pepper flavored wings. I love me some lemon pepper. I should add a little bit, but I don't know how the flavors will mix together. But I love me some lemon pepper. They smell good. Smell all nice and buttery and stuff. Okay. It smells really good actually. Okay, so that's mixed. I'm not gonna play with the food. I'm not gonna play. I hate when people just sit and be playing with the food. Bring it a little closer. They look good. They smell good. When you can smell your meat, you know that it's seasoned pretty good. Okay? Like, you don't have to over season it. You don't even have to use anything with salt. But as long as you can smell that meat, just know that it's going to taste like something and not like unseasoned meat. I hate the way unseasoned meat smells. It stinks. Smells like flesh, like somebody cooking flesh. But yeah, that's it, guys. Seasoned my chicken, and I'm about to put it in the refrigerator. I think I'll show you that too. Even though it's nothing, I'm probably not even going. I wish I had like some plastic wrap or something. Am I going? No, I need this. I actually need this one. I don't even use this. I only use this when I make cookies. I made some cookies last night, y'all. Oh my goodness, they were so good. Peanut butter cookies. My god sister gave me the recipe. Cause my godmother had made some peanut butter cookies one time, and they were so good. I'm not even a fan of peanut butter cookies, but wow, they were good. And I could just imagine how they would taste made with regular sugar. I use monk fruit sweetener, and coconut powder. So I can just imagine how they would taste. Okay, so yes, I'm about to put my chicken in the refrigerator. Okay. I don't even know where to sit it. Let that marinate for about 25 minutes because it's already 7 o'clock down here. So yeah, 6:43, but I'm gonna let that marinate. Put my timer on. Put my timer on. 25 minutes. Minutes. Can't even see that. Okay. 25 minutes. Okay. It's like I'm always dancing, I'm always singing, I'm always just doing stuff. So don't mind me. Please don't mind me. But yeah, I'm ending this video right here. If you like how I'm posting these videos back to back to back to back. It's like, no. But if you like what I'm posting, because it's going to be all over the place. Not just one subject, not just one thing. A lot of stuff. Different stuff. Stuff I be doing around the house. Stuff I be doing in the kitchen. You know, just doing me. So, if you want, you can hit that subscribe button, that like button to Jazzy D. The D is for my D's, you know. But yeah, subscribe, like, you don't even got to. You can just watch me. Just watch me do me, you know. It's like, no, let me stop. Y'all have a good day. I might come back with how I cook this chicken. If not, I am gonna come back because I want y'all to see how this chicken turned out. You know, I want to see how it's gonna turn out. But this is my first time using this garlic Parmesan season pack, and we're gonna try this together. So yeah, next video. See you guys later. Have a good day. God bless you all.